Today we have a Nintendo Switch here. Customer states that this system is not docking. So we're going to test that. We're going to put it on the dock. Okay, it's docked. The screen is off. I'm going to try wiggling it. Okay, we ain't getting no picture. So either we got a bad USB port or a filter, or the chip could be bad. So what we're gonna have to do is open it up, take a look at it. Unfortunately, since we ain't getting no docking, customer's joysticks comes off too easy on that side. So what we're gonna do is turn this off. Okay, we got that off. Move the customer's Joy-Cons. Set that stuff to the side. Alright, so we got the board out. Put the switch to the side. Alright, so we got the board out. I was going to check these pins. Alright, all those pins seem to be fine. Now we're going to come back over here. Let's see, where's the chip at? Alright, we're going to check for some shorts on this chip here. Alright, it's normal reading. One short. That's ground actually. Okay, we're going to test these. So we're getting normal readings there. We ain't got no shorts on here on these caps. See if we got any shorts on these filters. Obviously we're not going to because those caps. Alright. Oh, we forgot to test one capacitor there. Alright, so we ain't got no shorts going on there so far. So we're going to check these filters here. That's good. That's good. Crossover. So that one's good. That's good. Alright, so let's go. Let's test this guy. Okay. Not getting nothing on this guy right here. So this guy's blowing right here. Let's see if we see any damage from this thing. Nothing. Wow. Alright, so that might just be our whole cause right there. Alright, I'm going to use a little piece of Captain tape here. Alright, so we're going to remove that. Flux there. Honestly, I could just probably don't even have to use any heat. Could just get away with using soldering iron. But we're not going to go that route. I got to turn my airspeed down. I don't want to be going flying to the moon or anything. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got that off. Alright, we got some shiny pads there. Now I'm going to have to grab a donor motherboard. We can take that part off. Yeah, maybe they should have put a little beefier filter there. To be honest with you. Alright, so we have a little bigger, beefier coil here. We're going to install this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wick these pads and then we're going to pull these trace wires back with the grinding pen. So let's wick that up real quick. There we go. Now we're going to come in with the grinder pan. Yeah, for some reason I can't find my parts board. That's a little too big. For some odd reason I can't find my parts container for holding all my motherboards for the switches, unfortunately. And I found my the switch lights. But those don't have filters, unfortunately. It has an integrated chip. So we're gonna have to make do with what we got. Alright, so we're gonna want to get these two pads right here. Bam, bam. And then we're going to want to get these trace wires here. This is what I call ghetto fabulous here. Yeah, this is like an overkill filter, but hey. Add a little bit of flux. Get some solder on those. We're going to clean this up, check our connection. Yeah, don't believe we got that one trace yet, so we're going to check this. Oh, we got it. Alright, so we got connection here. Replaced. Let's clean this up a little bit and put it in the housing and test to see if we get docked now. Alright, so we got the switch back together somewhat here. Not all the way. We're just doing it for testing purposes. So let's power this on. Okay, we get boot. Wait till this boots up. Then we'll try to dock it. Alright, I'm going to dock it now. We'll see if we get anything on picture. There we go. Pop this in. There we go, we got a dock. We get picture. We got picture! Woohoo! We used a totally bigger, beefier filter, obviously. But yeah, you can see that we actually got display. So yeah, we got dock. It's working now. So we got us a Nintendo Switch here that's fixed. We replaced that big beefy, or we put a big beefy filter on there, and that's instead of that little itty bitty tiny filter. Honestly, I haven't came across that little filter being bad on the Switches. That's very surprising. I mean, they built the filter so little, small, little tiny little thing. Probably meant to blow out after so long. So that's pretty strange. But yeah, this customer's going to be happy that they're able to dock their Switch now. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right here. You'll see it popping up. And as always, thanks for watching.